Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you're opening the Steam does not open with Steam tools. I give some steps you will try to in this problem fix it, easily fix it, and in these steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, first step we can go to stop the background running Steam apps or whatever. So first of all we need task manager. So type the task manager. So we can go to click on the task manager and open, then here search type Steam by using search bar. If there is running, just right click to stop the background. After that we can come to back from task manager. After that we can go to try next solution, run as Steam admin. So we can go to the desktop, shortcut Steam, right click and choose the properties. We can go to click on the calendar tab, then we should select the calendar mode. Below we should select the run this program as administrator. If you did, then we can go to click on the apply and OK to close it. Then we can go to next step, try that next step PowerShell, insert this code. So we can go to open the PowerShell. Then right click to open the run the run as administrator. Then here that code come to paste it. Take to come here, paste in PowerShell. This code provided in this video description or comment section. So you will go to copy to paste here. Then run. After that your problem should have solved, and after that left from Windows PowerShell. Then we can go to click on the Windows icon plus click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then your problem should be solved. Also run normally in Steamtools. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.